Now, a couple of expressions that are useful then that are kind of related to this. The way you ask, does anyone here have a bag? The word for bag is mala. So the way you say it is there a bag at any person here? So, anwa mala eg ein dina ansha.
Egg will mala egg ansha.
Okay, and there's the variant form of that of the word enya means ein dina. So, anwa mala eg enya ansha. Okay, so anwa mala eg enya ansha. Okay. Okay. Now, if you want to say Jim has a bag, you can say ta mala ig Seamus. Okay? Or you can say Jim has one, and the way you say that in Irish, you say ta kyan ig Seamus. Ta kyan. And the word kyan by itself just means head in Irish. So really you say there's a head. You count things in heads in Irish, okay? So you say ta kyan ig Seamus, so Jim has one, or literally Jim, there is head at Jim, okay? But we count things in ones, so I don't know, it's like you have a little one. I don't know. So that's just the word that's used in Irish for it. So ta kyan ig Seamus, Jim has one. Okay? Or if you want to say I have one, ta kyan agamsa, I have one. Okay? So if someone asks a question, and will mala ig ein dina ansha, you can say ta kyan agamsa, or ta kyan ig Seamus. Okay? So, and will madra ig ein dina ansha? So, general question. Will madra ig ein dina ansha? Neil? Neil madra ig ein ansha? Okay, and will kat ig ein dina ansha?
Ta.
Ta. Okay, you say ta kat agam. Or takat agamsa, I have a cat. Okay?
That means I.
Yeah. Yeah, and a lot of times when you're asking a group of people, the way you would answer, takat agamsa, I have a cat.
Distinguishes that.
From you, from the rest of the people, yeah. Okay? Or now someone can say, takat and Kathleen. Yes, Kathleen has a cat. Okay? Well, monkey again, then, ansha.
Oh, wait.
Kathleen Margaret. Captain Go Monkey Margaret. Okay.
Did you say on Manian, on Monkey Shinlat?
Yeah, and Mannion and Monkey Shinlat. Or Mannion and Monkey Shinlatsa. Is that yeah, is that your monkey?
I was going to answer, do you have a monkey with V monkey agam achome.
Yeah. So V monkey egg Margaret acharshie, but she lost it. Okay. All right. Now another question you can ask is who has something, and the way you say that is ke ege a will. Ke ege a will caught, for example. So ke ege a will caught, and really what that means is who at him is a cat. Okay, who at him is there a cat? So who has a cat? Or usually when you're in a mixed group, you would say ke ege. If you're just talking to women, you could say ke eki, a will caught. So, like, you would do that if you're teaching, like, in a girls' school, and it's clearly always girls all the time. So, ke eki a kat. So, who has a cat? Okay? But if ke egi would be used for a mixed group. And that, who at him is there a cat? Or ke eki a kat, who at her is there a cat? Okay? So, ke egi and sho a kat. So, who here has a cat? Ke egi a kat.
Kathleen.
Kat the Kathleen, right. I guess, ke ege a will pian lui and show. You can say agamsa. Yeah.
How do you think Kathleen has?
You could say egg Kathleen. You could say egg Kathleen or ta kyan egg Kathleen. Kathleen has one. Ta
Say
kyan.
egg Kathleen.
Egg Kathleen, yeah.
Kathleen.
Yeah. Okay. Ke ella, who else? And we'll pian lui egg indin ella and shaw. Neil. Ta egg Pam, right? Okay. I guess
If you just want to say everyone does. Agamsa?
gach in
Go.
a gach dinner or gach in
Which one?
Okay, you can say gach
Gach.
dinner. means every person.
Oh, okay.
Or you can say gach indana or gach enya.
Every person, everyone.
Yeah, they kind of all mean everyone. Yeah, every person. But so takyan at gach enya, so everyone has one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. So ke'ege will pian and sha. So you hear pian. Pian.
Oh,
Okay. Agamsa.
So,
Yeah, you can say freshen or koma also.
Agamsa.
Okay. Ke'ege will.
would you say fresh even if you said agamsa?
Yeah, you can say takyan agamsa freshen. I have
Okay.
one too. Mm-hmm.
Agamsa.
Okay. I guess ke'ege will mock and show. Who has a son? Yeah. Okay, so tamak agam, taberch wak. A guard. So guard has two sons. Okay? I guess tamak mak agats a son? Okay. Okay. I guess ke'ege will kupan cafe and show.
Neil.
Kupan Cafe got dinner.
Kupan cafe e gatina. Okay. Ni doilame, I don't think so. Neil Kupan cafe e indina and show.
Neil Indinya? You can say Neil Indinya.
Neil Kupan cafe e indina and show. So not there isn't a cup of coffee at any person
Not a
here.
person.
Right. E indina.
Oh, I thought it was would you have.
Oh no.
I missed that.
Yeah.
I thought you were saying would we like to have coffee.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Birch's also going to so I may have a break now. Okay.
Beautiful Sylvia.
Specie del Kupan Cafe all in ish.